Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Shekhar Satpute, first year student from Computer Branch, Zeal Polytechnic, Pune. My topic name is Working on UPS and its Type. Guide Professor Omkar Varne sir. Uninterrupted Power Supply UPS. What is an uninterrupted power supply? The purpose of a UPS is to provide emergency power, usually by a lead or acid battery, to a load when it senses that the input power source has failed. They are different from emergency power system or standby generators because they provide near instantaneous protection from power interruption by using a battery, which can be a supercapacitor or flywheel. The battery itself usually has a short runtime, about 5 to 20 minutes, but it should be enough to either save all that precious data or progress that you have made, gracefully shut everything down, or fix the problem that caused the outage. A UPS can be used to protect hardware like data center, computer, and other electrical equipment where an unexpected shocks or sag can cause serious problems like data loss, business disruption, and even injuries or fatalities. Major roles of UPS. When there is any failure in main power source, the UPS will supply the power for a short time. This is the prime role of UPS. In addition to that, it can also be able to correct some general power problems related to utility services in varying degrees. The problem that can be correct are voltage spike, noise, quick reduction in input voltage, harmonic disorder, and the instability of the frequency in the mains. Types of uninterruptible power supplies. There are three types of uninterruptible power supplies: static, dynamic, and hybrid. Static uses for power electronic converters, dynamic uses for electromagnetic engines, and hybrid is a combination of both static and dynamic. Uninterruptible power supply devices are classified into three types such as offline or standby UPS, online or double conversion UPS, and third one is line interactive UPS. Offline or standby uninterruptible power supplies. This UPS is also called a standby UPS system, which can give only the most basic features. Here the primary source is the filtered AC mains, shown in the solid path in figure. When the power breakage occurs, the transfer switches will select the backup source. Thus, we can clearly see that the standby system will start working only when there is any failure in mains. In this type, the AC voltage is first rectified and stored in the storage battery and connected to rectifier. What is usually in a standby or offline uninterruptible power supplies? When power breakage occurs, this DC voltage is converted to AC voltage by means of power inverters and is transferred to the load connected to it. This is the least expensive UPS system, and it provides a surge protection in addition to backup. The transfer time can be about 25 milliseconds, which can be related to the time taken by the UPS system to detect the utility voltage that is lost. The block diagram is shown. The second one is online or double conversion uninterruptible power supplies. In this type of UPS, double conversion method is used. Here, first the AC input is converted into DC by rectifying process for storing it in the rechargeable battery. This DC is converted into AC by the process of inversion and given to the load or equipment which is connected. This type of UPS is used where electrical isolation is mandatory. This system is a bit more costly due to the design of constantly running converters and cooling system. Here the rectifier which is powered with the normal AC current is directly driving into inverter. Hence, it is also known as double conversion UPS. The block diagram is shown below. What is usually in an online or double conversion uninterruptible power supply? The main power source in double conversion UPS goes into the AC or DC rectifier even during the normal operation. So it must go through AC or DC inverters every time. Hence the term double conversion. The third one is line interactive uninterruptible power supply. The line interactive UPS has a similar design to the standard standby, but with the properties of a double conversion as well. The line interactive design can handle small under voltage and over voltage, about 20% its standard voltage, by using a multi-tap variable voltage auto transformer or buck booster converter. Even during this small under or over voltage, the battery is not being used and is still being charged until there is a big under or over voltage. What is usually in a line inactive uninterruptible power supply? The design is similar to standby, but it either has a auto transformer or a buck boost converter on the main line. This will either boost the voltage for under voltage or buck the voltage for over voltage. UPS applications. Applications of UPS include data center, industries, telecommunication, hospitals, banks and insurance, and some special projects.